Listen. So yesterday, previous class, these are the training needs analysis. Same continuation. Okay. We saw the training needs analysis and processes. So here this is the methods of training needs analysis. Okay. So you are having some more methods. First one, right? Survey. Next, observation. These are the methods of the training needs analysis. Finished. So listen. So first one is the survey method. Okay. So that is you take survey including all the employees and with the sufficient sample size. Okay. That is for example you are taking survey means that is you are doing your you have to do your project, you have to take the survey. Okay. That is if for example 1000 employees working in the organization. Simply 1000 employees you take 200 or 150 is your sample size. Okay. But you include all the employees. Okay. That is you have used the simple random method like the example. Okay. So this is the survey. Okay. That is you are taking the survey that is including all the employees in the organization and with the sufficient sample size also. Okay. Next, second one is the observation. Okay. So observation means that is you have to observe the employee doing the work or not. Okay. That we have to observe. Then only you are analyzing the performance level of the each and every employee system. That is the observation. Observe the employee work in the organization. Okay. That is to find the performance level. Next, third one is the interview. Okay. So in this interview, you have to collect the data. That is, you are collecting the information that is related to the employees. Okay. So that is also to find the individual performance level of the employees. Next, customer feedback. Okay. So next one, you are collecting the feedback from the customers. Okay. That is the customer's feedback. So this is also used to analyze the individual performance levels of the employees. Okay. So next one is the performance appraisal. So performance appraisal, that is in every organization, yearly once they are collecting the appraisal. Okay. So from the employees. Okay. So this appraisal also you have to submit individual only. So this is also used to analyze the individual performance level of the employees. Okay. This is the performance appraisal. Okay. So based on the performance only, they are giving the incentives and giving some bonus. So next one is the test. Okay. So test means that is you are conducting the test. Okay. So that is to find the employees or the knowledge and the skills levels also. Okay. That is also you are conducting the test. Okay. Next, assessment centers. Okay. So assessment centers. Okay. That is also you are having one centers to Okay, so that is I have to focus on the focus is to achieve the particular goals, objectives in the organization. Okay, there is a focus groups. Okay, there is every group, every team have some goals and objectives. That is you have to achieve some target. Okay, that is within some specific period. So then also you are focusing. Okay, that is the focus groups to achieve the goals and objectives in the organization. Next one is the document reviews. Okay, so next one you are review the documents. Okay, that is based on the previous step you are analyzing and review that. Okay, so next last one is the advisory committee. So advisory committee means in every organization we have some committee. Okay, that is on analyzing the employees or you have to analyze the workload of the employees. So everything you are having some committee. There is the advisory committee. Only verify and check all these. Okay. So these are the methods of the training needs analysis. Finished up. Next. Process of DNA. So this process and methods are similar to the training. Okay, so already these are the methods of training and the process of training is it. So training is analyzes methods and process also similar to these only. Okay, so that is first one, right? Process of DNA. Initiate discussions with the top management. Initiate discussion with the top management. Initiate discussions with the top management. Listen. So initiate discussion with the top management. That is you are discussing with the top level managers. So this is already we saw it. First one they are having some steps. First one the team members and the team leaders are discussed with the top and you are taking some decisions. You are including some new method, some techniques, everything you have to discuss with the top management. Okay, that is the first one. Initiate discussions with the top management. Next is second one. Set up DNA schedule and objectives. Set up DNA schedule and objectives. So next one you are setting the objectives and schedule. Okay, so first you discuss with the top level managers in the organization. So next one you are setting. Okay, so after the discussion you are setting the objectives. The objectives must related to your job, work and the organization. Okay, so next one you are set up the schedule. Okay, that is for example you are having some the project. Okay, foreign project or having some audit mean that is the first you have to prepare the schedule for that. Okay, so this is for 1 day project means per day you have to complete this much percentage like that. Okay, that is you are setting the schedule and objectives after the discussion. Okay, next third one, identifying the information resource. Identifying the information source. Right. Identifying the information. Third one, identifying the information source. Okay, so identifying the information. Okay, so in this method there is using the survey and the interview you are collecting the information. So that is third one is the identifying the information the identify the information. Next, fourth one, set up methods for data collection. Set up methods for data collection. Set up methods for data collection. So after the identification of the information, after the collecting the information, we have to set up this. Okay, also based on the survey. So survey you are collecting the information. Okay, and this interview method also you are using to collect the information. Okay, so next one you have to choose the methods for data collection. Okay, so already we saw some methods for data collection in your project. So that is the using the SPSS, you have to collect the information, analyze this is using correlation or using chi-square, using ANOVA, you have to collect the information. Okay, but after this identification of information, you have to collect the information using some methods. Okay, next collect the information. Fifth one, collect the information. So that is first you set the methods for data collection. Okay, so and this data collection methods also different from one analysis to another analysis also. Okay, by using this method you are collecting the information. Okay, that is you are collecting the information, experience details. So knowledge and skills. So years, how many years experience, previous experience. So what is the qualification for the particular employees? So everything you have to analyze. Okay, so for example, the employee satisfaction is your project topic. So based on the employee satisfaction, you are doing your research. So based on this, you are collecting the survey. You have to prepare the questionnaire. The questionnaire also related to the employee satisfaction. Okay, so that is the employee satisfaction with the job. Okay, that is in the organization. You have transport facilities, canteen facilities, working hours, pay, incentives, everything you have to mention in the questionnaire. Okay, so based on this only you are collecting the information. Okay, that is employee satisfied or not, how many of them respond, how many of them give excellent, everything you have to analyze. Next, sixth one, analysis of data. Analysis of data and identification of training needs. Identification of training needs. Analysis of data and identification of training needs. Okay, so after the data collection, you are analyzing the data. Okay, so this much data you have to collect this. Okay, so based on this data, you have to identify the training needs. Okay, so these are under the training needs analysis only. Okay, so for what purpose you are analyzing the data, using methods, using survey means that is there for identify the training needs only. Okay, so this if you are giving in every year for the new employees, that is you are providing 6-month training. This is compulsory. Okay, so suppose this training is useful or not. Okay, so that is also you are analyzing this training period is enough or everything you have to analyze that. Okay, see after the data collection you have to find the needs of the training also. Okay, next 7th one, develop training objectives. Develop training objectives. So develop training objectives. Okay, that is the before the discussion with the management. So see, first one is the discussion with the top management. So before that, you have to discuss with the objectives also. Okay, so when you are setting the objectives for the project, means that objectives must relate to the topic. Okay, that is what is the primary objectives means that is your topic. Okay, so secondary objectives means that is your related to your questionnaire and the analysis, etc. So that and also you must verify that. That is the before discussion with the top management. So that and also so next development of training plan. So development of training plan means that is these are some methods of the training. That is the on the job training and the off the job. Okay, so based on this you have to develop your training methods. Okay, that is the off the job means that is another outside the field. Okay, that is the employee development from the outside. Okay, so on the job means that is a specific particular job for the employees. So that also you have to develop. Next, 9th one. Preparation of TNA report. Preparation of TNA report. So next, finally, you have to prepare the report for the training needs analysis. Okay, it is the discussion with the top management after you searching the objectives. Next, you have to analyze the information, collecting the information, and using some various methods. Next one, you have to prepare the report for the TNA analysis. Okay, so that is you have to mention the previous steps also. Okay, that is you are collecting the information, etc. So that you are using some various method. Okay, that is this method is useful or not, and you are taking the survey, etc. So this this survey this is suitable for this organization or not. Okay, there is a sample size is okay or not, total population is okay or not. So everything you have to report that. Okay, so these are the process of the training needs analysis. Finished. Finished. So next topic, executive development. Executive development. So executive development. Okay, so it is also used to improve the employee skills and knowledge. Okay, so you are having some methods in the executive development, and this methods is similar to the methods of training. Methods of training and the methods of executive development both are same only. Okay, that is similar only. Okay, so here also you are having the on the job and the off the job methods. Okay, so first write the definition. Put the heading executive development. Executive development. Management development is a systematic process management development is a systematic process of training and growth by which individuals gain and apply knowledge, skills, insight and attitudes to manage orientation effectively. Next, put mentoring, mentoring, committee assignment, planned progression, creation of assistant to position Magai Krishnan. These are the on-the-job methods. The next one, write off-the-job methods. So first one, case study. Next to second one, write incident method. Second one, incident method. Third one, role playing. Incident method. Next, role playing. Next, in-basket method, fourth one. Next, fifth one, business games. Next, sixth one, right? Sensitivity training. last one is the grid training. So these are the off-the-job methods. So already we saw in the methods of training. So there is the coaching, job rotation, understudy, mentoring, committee assignment. So plan progression, creation of assistant to positions, next temporary positions. Okay. So this is first the new employees. It is placed in a specific job. Okay. So this is based on the job that is used to develop the employee levels in the organization. So after jobbing, this is also used to development of employees, that is the outside from the field. Finished up. So last 11th simulation. Okay, off the job assessment. That is first one is the case study. Okay, so the case studies also we saw that is in the for the employees, that is in the each and every employee they will given the cases also. Okay, you discuss and find the possible solutions. Okay, so incident method, role playing, the basket method, business games, sensitivity training, lectures, conference, special project, so grid training and the simulation. Okay, so this is also used to develop the employees from outside the field. Finished up.